Luisa. I'm here with the Wenatchee Valley Museum, and I'm here to show you how to make a sugar skull mask for Day of the Dead. So, you already have this in your packet with you, and it should come with a popsicle stick, a medium size. You will be needing scissors and glue. I have a hot glue gun, but glue works just fine. So, you'll also need crayons, markers, or paint, whichever you have available. And yeah, so let's begin. So first, I'm going to start off with coloring the sugar skull mask. So next we're going to be cutting out the eyes and the nose as well. And this is going to be a bit tricky, so you might have to ask an adult for any assistance. So what I like to do is fold the paper and cut in the center. So it gives me a little hole. And just cut around. So next, the nose. And make sure to cut out the skull as well. So, with your popsicle stick, you're gonna glue it on to your mask, and so just put a little bit. There it is. That's your second mask.